Nate from Frontline Eurosports Online coming at you with the Rally Raid motorcycle. Jennifer Morgan has been riding across the T8T on. We're going to go over this beast real quick. It's a 2018 BMW G310GS. First thing you're going to notice, obviously, is that we've got the Scorpion exhaust, which is a full system with a catalytic converter that's removable on there, saving us 6 pounds. The rims are going to be spoked instead of the factory cast wheels, which that's going to give us the opportunity to do tubeless or conventional tube tires on it. We have front and rear suspension upgrades. So we have a massively attractive adjustable suspension in the rear that saves us some weight. And now we can add preload adjustment to the front. She's got some little quick bleeders on there. Obviously we got our hand guards, our Barkbuster brand hand guards there, and a whole new top triple so we can allow a fat bar and some more opportunities to mount some goodies on there, as you can see. Engine protection. And as I was explained, this engine protection is designed that you can slide it down and remove the oil filter without having to remove the whole system, which makes it a lot quicker for servicing on this motorcycle. Some changes she made where we did some custom paint for it and getting it all blacked out and remove the rear luggage rack, as she's using a giant loop bag, as you can see over there. I'll let you see the G310GS. Spoked rims, upgraded suspension, full exhaust, engine protection, fat bars, and beautiful TKC80s on there. And all this stuff is going to be available from Rally Raid, and we're going to be able to produce your beautiful G310GS here at Frontline Eurosports with all these great Rally Raid parts. So thanks for watching us at Frontline Eurosports Online, and have a great day.